Well, good morning. It's the 26th of September, 2024, and Dottie and I are going for a little walkie. It is, let's see what time it is, 7:12. So the agenda today is I've already finished my YouTube upload. All 3 videos are already out. It's a kind of a time record for me. I've had one of my Zoom meetings already. Dottie and I are, after this walk, going to go up to the clubhouse, actually drive up there because I'm going to go up there, have breakfast, and right after breakfast, I got to shoot right over to the chiropractor. And then I've got nothing to do for the rest of the day other than socialize, watch some YouTube. I'm in pretty good shape. But tomorrow, Friday, is my crunch day. That's the day where I do, I see just the vast majority of my clients, the one-offs on a day-to-day basis. Like this morning, I have a couple of clients that I see multiple times a week, but the ones I see once a week, I see on Fridays. So, well, to be honest, there's one exception. There's one person I see on Saturdays on a weekly basis, but that's just one. You got to make exceptions every once in a while. So what else is going on? Dottie is taking care of her business here. So I am out of my dog things. So I'm going to have to improvise. I'm going to shut this off because I need to go back to the dumpster and find something to improvise with. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Believe it or not, I reached in the dumpster and there was a pristine plastic bag just waiting for me. So I solved that problem. Come on, Dottie. That's never a good thing when you take your dog out and she goes and you go into your plastic bag container and there's nothing there. Hello. Come on, Dottie. But then I got saved because we got a plastic bag. We got it all picked up. I indulged Dottie, and I shouldn't have yesterday. I had gone out, Judy and I had gone out to dinner at our favorite place, the Terrible's Roadhouse, and they had a $14 or $15 rib special, which I got, and I brought most of it home, and I was feeding bones to Dottie. She had too many. She vomited this morning, and then her stool was petrified. So one is enough for that little dog. That was my bad. But she's fine now. She's chipper. She feels good. We're going for a nice walk. I should have sunglasses on, but I forgot to change my glasses. And I'm losing track of time. I have 15 minutes before breakfast starts, so that's just enough time to do a half loop with Dottie and head to breakfast and then head to the chiropractor. I had a couple of accomplishments yesterday. They were don't get overly impressed here. I have 2 small pensions. that are due me when I turn 65, and that'll be this February. And I was needing to fill out paperwork and fax things and prove who I am and stuff. So I did all that yesterday. Come on, Dottie. So I can start collecting those 2 pensions, I believe, the 1st of March, which will help since my Social Security check will be, I think, $188 less starting in February because of Medicare. And then I anticipate another outflow of another $170 a month for Part G supplement, and another 30 to 40, another 30, I think, I'm guessing, for a drug plan. So, that'll leave me a little bit left over to save up for the purchase of the lease rights at Paradise. Sounds like paradise, but it's Pair of Dice RV Park, an Escapees owned RV park that I'm on the wait list for. I think I'm number 53, so I've got a couple years to go. Maybe 3, who knows? Depends on how many of those 52 people ahead of me, when their name comes up, decide to actually buy a spot. Sometimes it goes quickly because people's plans change, over a couple years. Come on, Dottie. My plans may change, who knows? Dottie stops in the same spot, and I have to physically drag her away from it every morning. There's something she has to sniff, and just she won't leave unless I make her leave. Isn't that crazy? I wonder what it is. Because there's certainly spots where other dogs have been all over the park. It's constant. It's certainly a beautiful temperature right now this early in the morning, but it's going to get up to the triple digits today. Had a kind of an unexpected week of very high, unseasonably high temperatures here in Pahrump. It's going to be 100 degrees, I think, at least through what I saw was Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, and then it slowly, day by day, slides back down into the 80s. So most of October and November will be very nice, I'm sure. Middle of November, I'll be headed out to Quartzsite. Yes, of course. Hang on. Let me see if I change hands here. Hang on. I know that was awkward, but boy, it's really awkward. Come on. There. And Dottie is not cooperating with me. She is keeps winding her leash around the wrong side of me. Dottie, just be on this side of me and be happy. Dottie, she won't do it. Go this way. Now she's going to the other side. Ah, Dottie. So those of you that know Dottie may not know that Dottie does not obey verbal commands. Ever. Therefore, Dottie's always on leash. It is rare for me to let Dottie off leash because mostly she'll hang around, but she'll get an idea and she will just go. And no amount of yelling, whistling, cajoling, bribing is effective at all. Now she's got another spot where she's sniffing and won't stop, and we're on a time schedule, and I don't think she cares that much about my time schedule. Do you, Dottie? Those of you that are seeing the surroundings of this park, the palm trees and big bushy trees and the landscaping, the actual reality of it is even better than what you see on screen. I mean, this is an amazing RV park. They've made a couple changes that are not favorable towards non-members. It used to be you could stay here for up to 4 months, including utilities, for $700 a month. That includes utilities, and that's a big deal if it's during a warm month. It's no more. No more monthly rate. So I'm assuming the weekly rate still applies. And I think that's about $270 a week. So we're talking, if you wanted to stay here, including utilities, we're talking from $700 to $1,100. That's quite a jump. Also, it used to be that I could have a friend come in and I could get a rate of $25 a day for them for up to 10 days. That also went away. So the member rate, still, you know, that's an agreement we have in writing. So that's still, you know, $15.75 a day, including utilities. They did add if you want to pay by credit card, a fee, but they'll take your check, so that's easily solved. What else? With your membership, you get 35 days where you pay only a $6.75 utility fee for 35 days every year. And then I think it's about $320, $330 a year for the annual fee, membership fee. It's still a really great deal. Dottie sees Patty. Here, let's turn this around and see what, well, she was interested in Patty. Oh, there we go. There she goes. She sees Patty.
Oh my goodness, you go for your morning prostitute. Oh, you taking pictures of her?
Oh yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video.
Oh God, I hope I'm not in there.
You're in there. You're in there. You're gonna be a star, Patty.
Good Lord. Well, I could have at least told some jokes.
My channel's not rated for your jokes. I have to give a warning.
You gotta have the clean jokes. Oh my goodness, shit. Did you go for you gonna eat your breakfast now, huh? You gonna eat your breakfast?
Dottie's probably not gonna have breakfast, Dottie.
Oh, she's not?
She threw up this morning because I gave her too many of those rib bones.
Maybe too rich for her.
Well, and the poop came out like petrified.
Oh, God.
It was it was not good.
But she seems to be better.
Oh, she feels okay now.
Look, she said, I'm hungry now. But I don't have nothing left in my gut.
Okay, guys. Well, that's today's little video, little walk with Dottie, little meet and greet with my good friend Patty here. And we will see you tomorrow. As always, I love it when you guys watch my videos. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you. And just remember, every day now, if you do a comment, every day I have a comment video where I'll read your comment every morning and respond to it. So we've got that going for us. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.